Hello, come with me to make gel agarose. Make sure you already wear glove and mask to safety first. First thing you need to prepare a green plus or red plus. Put the green plus into the tray and you need to prepare pipette, tip, and we need to adjust our pipette into 10 microliter. And we need to prepare a comb and put it into the wells like this. Here I still use the old Agarose and you need to microwave about 1 minute 30 seconds. After 1 minute 30 seconds we have to take out our gel Agarose and have to see about 100 milliliter. Because it's just less than 100 milliliter, I add TBE inside the Electrophoresis. And we need to check again after 100 milliliter and get ready to use your pipette and tip and put into the green plus. Then for sure you need to put into the gel agarose, remove the tip and then took the cover of green plus and prepare a piece of paper and don't forget to mix well. Just shake like this and pour into the wells. Be careful, it's hot. And then now you can make your gel agarose and just clean up the layer after we use. Put it back into the place and put it back things that we took out. Don't forget to put it back cream plus into the fridge because it have to keep in storage too until 8 degrees Celsius. And yeah, your agarose is ready. Bye bye.